Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming that your Android supports USB-C audio. Many phones handle digital audio over the port while others need a DAC. Once done, inspect the earphones. Active USB-C models contain electronics. Passive adapters convert analog. Make sure your phone is unlocked, Bluetooth is off, and media volume is set low to avoid loud pops. Then plug the USB-C earphones gently into the port. You should feel a click. This initiates negotiation between device and headphones. Once connected, watch for a permission prompt. Grant USB audio or accessory access so Android routes sound correctly. If audio doesn't switch automatically, go to Settings, choose Sound or Connected Devices, and select the USB-C output manually. This forces the system to use the earphones. Also check Developer Options or USB Preferences. Avoid Charge-Only mode. Pick Audio or File Transfer when available. Make sure apps have microphone permission when you need calls. Otherwise, the mic on USB-C. You finish by testing playback and a call. Adjust system and app volumes and tweak any equalizer for clarity. If audio stutters or nothing plays, unplug, reboot the phone, and replug the earphones. This resets the USB negotiation. If problems persist, try a different USB-C adapter or earphones to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if the microphone or controls fail, check app permissions and update phone firmware. Safe mode helps determine if a third-party app interferes with USB audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.